Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook video no sound in 2025 using the updated methods. So step 1, check your device's media volume. On many phones, Facebook video sound is tied to your media volume, not the ringtone. Step 2, toggle the mute switch. If you are on an iPhone, you can flip the mute switch on the side of your phone. On Android, you can use the volume rocker to ensure that media volume is up. Step 3. You can restart your Facebook app. You can swipe up or go to your recent apps and close your Facebook, and then reopen it to reset the audio playback. Step 4. Update the app. You can go to the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure that your Facebook app is updated to the latest version. Step 5. You can check the autoplay sound settings. You can go to your Facebook app and then settings and privacy, then settings and then media, and make sure that videos start with sound is toggled on. Step 6. You can clear cache. On Android, you can long press the Facebook app and then go to app info and then storage and then clear cache. On iPhone, you can uninstall and reinstall the app if needed. Step 7. You can try using headphones or Bluetooth to test if the issue is speaker related. And now your Facebook video should play with sound again. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.